This is Pansari, and you are watching VKPXR. And today's module is 5, and we are going to learn about data structures in Python. Today, our learning goal is learn about lists, tuples, dictionary, and sets. We learn about how to manipulate them, iterate over data structures. We'll learn how to use different data structures and perform basic operation like adding, removing, modifying data, so on. Coming to list, ordered mutable collections. Basically, what is a list? A list is a built-in dynamic size array. It's an array which can grows automatically and shrinks. We can store all types of items in a list. Lists are ordered collection that can store multiple items. That means they are indexed. They have indexed, so the items can be duplicated. Also, lists are mutable, meaning their elements can be changed. The syntax are: we write the list variable name, then enclose the elements inside a square box like this. Okay, let me create one list of my own. List 3 is equals to break, then let's say Pansari. So one list completed. Second example, fruits: apple, banana, cherry. Let's append orange. Append is a function through which we can add elements to a list. Okay, so let's print that. It's apple, banana, cherry, orange. It's added to the last index of the list. Now to calculate the list length, so we can use the function len function. So this is the list. It has 3 elements. Now we use the len function here. It's 3. Now, as I told you before, we can store different data types in a list. So here's an example: string, integer, boolean, again integer, again string. So you can make any kind of list through this. A list constructor, it's basically a function which can be used to create a list instead of using the square brackets. See here, the values are apple, banana, cherry, and we are enclosing this inside a list function. Note the double round brackets. We need to use double round brackets. Enclose it like a tuple inside the list constructor. So let's run this. See, a list. Mini challenge. Let's create this mini challenge. Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. Okay. Now this list dot sort. See, we have to sort them in an alphabetical order. So we created a list here. Now we sort using the sort function. Dot sort, then parentheses, and then we printed this. To access item of a list, we can simply access them by referring the index number. This list, apple, banana, cherry. This list 1, that shows it starts from 0, 1, 2. So it will print banana. Negative index. Negative indexing means start from the end. That means -1, -2, -3. Okay, -1, -2, -3. Now -1 refers to the last element, -2 refers to the second last element. So let's print this. It prints cherry. Okay, ordered immutable collection. Basically they are similar to list, just that we cannot change once it's created. It's immutable, and they are written with round brackets. So like this, let me create one tuple. My tuple goes to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, then let's print this. My tuple. See, 10, 10, and we can access tuple elements similarly the way we have access in the list by index number. Okay, so in 0 we have 10, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let's go to a tuple can contain different data types. Similarly to list, they can have different types of data types: string, integer, boolean. Now tuple length, using the length function we can find the tuple length as well. Let's run this. 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's create our tuple 3 number and access the second element. Basically we have done this in previous line. Just access it. This tuple banana. Okay, similarly negative indexing is the same thing. Refers to the last item. Second minus 2 refers to the second last item. Okay, let's run this. 15. Now the tuple constructor, its function is similar. It creates a tuple. So the double round brackets inside that will feed the elements as a tuple, and it creates a tuple. See, dictionaries store data as key value pairs for quick lookups. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. It cannot allow duplicates because these are key value pairs, and they are written using curly brackets and have keys and values. For example, student. Okay, the name is the key, then we write a semicolon. John is the value, then again key, then again value, then again key, then again value, enclosed within a curly bracket. Now when we print to access the value of a keys, we'll write the dictionary name inside the square bracket. We write the keys name, then we write inside a print. Okay, let me show you one more. Print student. Okay, student. Let's see its age. 25. Dictionary length. To determine how many items, these are one item. One item is equals to one key value. So how many items are in the dictionary? We use len function. See, so there are 3 items: name, age, grade. Name John, age 25, grade A. So 3. Now dictionary item data types. We can show different types of data types. Okay, such as keys should be string. Okay, most of the time keys should be string, but the values can be anything. It can be a string, boolean, integer. It can be also a list as well. So this is how we do that. Okay, now dictionary constructor. It is possible to use dictionary constructor to make a dictionary. Here single round brackets are used. Round brackets are used. Okay, so here single round brackets are used. Remember that. Okay, now accessing an item from a dictionary. Suppose I told you before, we'll write the keys name and it will print the values name. Now we can use another method called get that will give the same result. In order to write that, it will write the dictionary name dot get function. Inside that we'll write the keys value, keys name. Okay, let's print that. Print X Mustang. Now get keys and get items. Okay, so keys function will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Let's do that. See, dictionary keys: brand, model, year. And get items. I've told you item is one key value pair. So item method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. So when I call for the item function, it will give me a list of tuples inside. Okay, as tuples in a list of tuples of items of key values in a list. Okay, So basically it's a tuples in a list. Brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. Let's create one dictionary of ours. So countries is equals to, we know brackets. Now create India. Okay, it's New Delhi, right? Then USA. Okay, it's Washington DC. Then we write Japan. It's Tokyo. Now let's print this countries. See, India dictionary, all that. We can create a nested dictionary. A dictionary can contain dictionary inside dictionary. Okay, so this is called nested dictionary. Can contain dictionaries. Basically, in a single dictionary, we can have another dictionary as well. See, look here. This is one key, and this is whole value for this key. But inside this value, we are creating another dictionary where this is the second key, this is the second value, this is the second key of the first key and second values. Okay, now to access this whole, we'll first write the first key value, child 2, that means this one. Now it contains two keys, name and year, so we are accessing the name part. So if we access the name part, the values is Tobias. So let's print this, it gives us Tobias. So we can create such nested dictionaries, and that's it. Sets, unordered unique collection. They contain unique elements, do not allow duplicates. They are a collection which is unordered, that means there is no indexing, they cannot be unchangeable, and unindexed. I've said you before, there is no order, so there is no index. And a set constructor, can be used to create a set. For example, unique numbers 1 2 3 4 4 5, and we have created inside a curly brackets. Okay, so when we print this, it gives us 1 2 3 4 5. There were double 4, right? Once it created a set, it removes that duplicacy. Now similar with the set constructor, double round brackets, same. Now let's create a set with 5 unique characters. Let's use this blue, green, red, then yellow, then purple. See, this is the set: blue, yellow, green, red, purple. If we write another red, it will still give one red only, so no duplicate. To access the items, we cannot refer it using index. This is a key point. Okay, remember this, we cannot access a set value using an index. So how we'll access it? We can look through the set items using a for loop, or ask if a specified values is present in using in keyword. So this is a set. Now for x in this, print this. Let's print that. Okay, so look here, if x is present in this, print that. Okay, or we can check whether a certain value is in this set or not. So let's say b is equals to apple. Now if b in this set, okay, then print b. apple. Since B is in this set, we can print. Okay. Now if I double wrap apple, it will just run. Since we have not specified something error of it, or something about the error of it, it just run. See, apple. Now to add items to a set, once a set is created, you cannot change its item. You can only add new things, okay? And to add one item, we can use the add function. So here, this set is this. Now let's add an orange to it. So we'll use the add function. Inside that we'll write orange. Okay. Now print this set. It works. Banana, cherry, orange, apple. Now coming to this. Supposingly, I want to add a set to another set. Basically, all the elements of one set to another set. We can use the update function. Okay. So let's do that and see. This set is updated to apple, banana, cherry, pineapple, mango, papaya. Now coming to the quiz, module 5 quiz. Main difference between list and tuple. Lists are mutable, tuples are immutable. Remember, how do we access a value from a dictionary? Get and the key value. I've told you before. What does the set do with the duplicate values? Removes them. Now correct to add an element to a list, append. We'll use the function append. Key values, dictionary. Okay, I've created a quiz similar to the last one where there are unique questions. They're challenging and you have to complete the code, and at the end you will get the answer of it. So let me know if it helps you in the comment section. Now for the summary, let's revise what we have learned. List store ordered mutable data, tuple store ordered immutable data, dictionary store key values pair, set store unique values and remove duplicates. So for the next module, we'll be learning how to handle file in a Python, how to read and write files in a Python. Thank you for watching this video. Do let me know what you think about this course, and do share it with your friends, families. Do like and subscribe the channel. Help me to reach 500 subscribers within this month. And thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next part. This is your VKPXR signing out. Let's meet you in the next video.